Hey guys, we're back with another video, and this is an update on the Louis Vuitton Montsouris backpack. It is my most carried, most loved, most have bag. So I wanted to give a brief update because I talked about this whenever I got it a year and a half ago. I can't even remember. I'll link that video down below so you guys can check it out. But I didn't want to give you guys an update, give you a little bit more information, and go from there. Well, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. This is the Mom's Guide to Glam, my new rebrand of my YouTube channel where moms can come find items for themselves, gain the confidence after baby. I don't care if your kids are babies or your kids are 45 years old. I don't care. This is a safe space for moms. This is a space where we can all come together. It's about you. It's about loving yourself. So I wanted to create this channel for that. And here we are back again. I did a video. I'm going to link it down below. Like I said earlier, I did a video about, I don't know, a year and a half ago. Maybe it was 2021 when I did the video on how I was looking for a bag. You know, I wanted like a bag that it was a great mom bag that I could carry every day. And I ended up settling on the Louis Vuitton Montsouris backpack in the empreinte leather. And again, I really was, I was really excited about this bag. I didn't know what to think. I told you guys like in the video, I'll give you an update. Of course, we're like a year and a half from that update now, but this even is a more perfect time to do it just because of I can give you guys like an even more in-depth review of this bag. So let's talk about this bag, what I think about it. Is it worth it? Let's get on with the details. So first thing I want to talk about is the actual bag itself, why I came to the decision to get the bag. I have, and ignore my background, by the way, we are redoing this, so it'll look a lot nicer next time. But as you can see, I love some designer bags. I love bags, period. It's one thing, I don't even have to have designer clothes. I don't even like designer shoes. When it comes to bag, your girl loves designer bags. And one brand that I love quite a bit is Louis Vuitton. I've been investing in Louis Vuitton pieces now for like over 10 years, 10 or 12 years. I love their bags. And one thing that I really, really, really wanted, and I try to do, is that whenever I'm looking to add another bag to my collection, what I like to do is I like to get a bag that maybe I don't have that style of. So, I've got a couple crossbodies, but maybe like I want a book bag or a fanny pack or whatever it may be. That way all my bags are different and I can wear them in different occasions and different spacing. The other thing that matters to me is being able to fit items because I am a mom, right? Being able to fit items and carry them, even if it's just the necessities, the basics, I have them and they're all in one place. So that led to the decision of getting the Montsouris book bag. And again, if I'm pronouncing anything wrong, it's okay. We're here, but let me talk about this book bag. First of all, this is the best bag I've ever bought. It is the best purchase I've ever made. It is quite expensive. This bag is $3,000. When I bought it, I think it was close to $3,000. I think it was a little more than that. I'll put the pricing right here, or the exact pricing, because every year the price goes up with these bags. This was quite an expensive purchase, okay? And again, I was really, really nervous, but they upgraded this bag. The older model, the older Montsouris book bag, it's a beautiful bag, but it actually had patch through that you had to actually do and undo. And then it had the drawstring on the inside. They upgraded the book bag to make it a lot easier. So this book bag actually has a magnetic piece that opens the bag and then you have the drawstring. So they have completely, even like the shape of it's a little different, the size of it, they've completely like redone this bag and made it look even better. Personally, to me, I think that. So I was really excited to get this bag. I bought it again, unboxing video. I did that. And here's the thing. I didn't know how I was going to feel about it. I got this a week later. I went on a trip. I took it with me. And I have to tell you, I absolutely love this bag. I have worn this bag more than any other bag in my collection. It was the best purchase I've ever made. And I love it for multiple reasons. So let me explain why I love this. So number one, the ease of this. Again, it's a strong magnetic piece right here. So you actually undo that magnetic piece and then you close the drawstring on the inside to really close it. And so anyways, the ease and the comfortability of this bag, it was so easy to undo that magnetic piece, get into it, and then close back the drawstring. The other reason I love this bag so much is I love that it's got a big space on the inside. So this bag is quite a good bag, lots of room. You can't fit a laptop in it, but you could fit like an iPad mini. You could fit a Kindle in here. Again, you could fit any kind of, diapers and wipes and sippy cups and snacks. In fact, before I came to do this video, I actually had a bunch of crushed up goldfish in the bottom of this bag. So I had to completely clean it out for you guys for this video. But on the inside, I know it's hard to see, it's a big, deep hole. You have one big pocket right here, which I will fit, a cell phone in, a little wallet in. I use a little key clay as my wallet. So that fits perfectly right there. And then once I'm done, all I have to do is, again, pull the drawstring, tighten it up a little bit, do the magnetic piece, and we're good to go. The other thing I love is I love that it's got adjustable straps on here. So again, I will adjust these and I will wear these multiple lengths. So they're hanging down, whatever it may be. But I also will carry it by the crook of my arm. So by this handle right here, I'll actually carry it just like this. If I just feel like I need to hold it and walk around, I'll do that. So there's quite a few ways to carry this bag, which is quite nice. The other thing is it has a pocket right here. It's a small little pocket, but I'll fit my key right in there. So again, you have another little space to put like little items, maybe a couple lip glosses, maybe you could fit a little wallet in there, a little, again, I always fit my car keys in there. And then this new bag actually comes with this nice little LV, like almost like a keychain, which is really cute. So it's a little bit different. But I've got to tell you, I have worn this bag to death. I have put everything in it. Again, I have a toddler, so it's so easy to store a bunch of snacks in here and sippy cups and to be able to be on the go with this bag. The other thing that I love about this bag is I love the actual leather of it. It's so soft, it molds. I love the canvas, and I have quite a few canvas pieces, but it doesn't have any kind of vachetta. So if it rains or anything, I don't have to worry about it. Another thing I want to bring up is I did have to get this bag repaired. So right here, this magnetic piece right there ended up, I'm going to get a little closer so you can see. This magnetic piece right here ended up falling off the bag. I know. Very, very strange, right? I was a little taken aback by that. I was like, this bag is only a year old. How in the world is the magnetic piece falling off? But I do wear this bag quite a bit. I kind of fling it around. I don't baby it. I don't want to have to baby a bag. So with that being said, this magnetic piece fell off. So I ended up having to get it repaired. It was really, really, really nerve-wracking for me because I've heard horror stories of people trying to get their Louis Vuittons fixed and it takes forever, or Louis Vuitton's really difficult to work with. However, I had an incredible experience. I talked with someone, a customer service rep on the phone who was incredibly helpful and incredibly nice. They looked at my purchase history. They ended up fixing this for free for me. So all I had to do was send the bag in. It said it was going to take around 3 to 4 months to fix, which I was really okay with because I love this bag so much. Even though I knew I was going to miss being able to carry it around with me everywhere, I knew that if I could get it fixed, it would almost be like I had a whole new bag coming in the fall. So this was in the spring when I ended up submitting it to get fixed. And about a month later, I got a notification. It is fixed and ready to get shipped back to you. So that was honestly such a great experience. They sent the bag. When you send a bag to get repaired, you have to send it with no labels, no box, just like I don't even think I submitted it in a dust bag, to be honest with you. I just bubble wrapped it really carefully, put it in a normal box, and had it sent off. Because again, they don't want anybody stealing it, which is totally normal, right? Totally makes sense. But when they sent the bag back to me, it was packed in another beautiful Louis Vuitton bag with a new dust bag. It was such, again, an incredible experience. And the magnetic piece has been totally fine since then. So even though it was a little bit like, oh my goodness, why is this falling off? And it's a $3,000 bag. I still was so incredibly grateful and happy that they fixed it and everything was wonderful. So no hard feelings there. That was such a wonderful experience. But if you're looking to get this bag, I've had so many people on my last video just ask me questions on it. It is so worth it. I promise you. Now, I will say this. I got the black leather for a reason. My sister-in-law has the canvas. It's beautiful. It's incredible. However, I know people that have the turtle dove color and the empreinte leather, and they've had a lot of color transfer. And I didn't want to worry about that because, again, I wanted to be able to wear this backpack, really fully enjoy it, be able to put it on the ground, put it in, in my car, wear dark jeans and dresses and whatever it may be. And the turtle dove, I did hear the turtle dove and even the cream color, there is a little bit of color transfer. So you do need to watch out, even though those bags are so beautiful. It was really hard for me not to buy those, to be honest with you. The other thing is this goes with all of my outfits. It doesn't matter what I'm wearing. This bag just goes, okay? It looks so good with the black, with the gold hardware. It is just incredibly stunning. And again, the actual embossed of the logo is so beautiful in this bag. The other thing that I do want to mention too, if you do not like any of your bags to have a big dark space in it, like just a big empty kind of free-for-all space, which a lot of my bags that I own from Louis Vuitton are like that, then my biggest suggestion to you and what I ended up doing was I ended up getting, and let me show you, every bag that I buy, I always buy a bag organizer. And I also buy the bag organizer in a different color than the actual inside of the bag. A lot of people love to match. I want to be able to see what I have. So with that being said, I'm not going to show you this up close. We'll do a whole nother video, but this has a bunch of my mom's stuff in it, so we're not going to go there right now. However, this has a ton of pockets for organization. It's got one main pocket inside, and then again, it's got a bunch of different pockets, zipped pockets, all of that good stuff. The only issue I have with this bag organizer is that when I do put it in here, and I'll show you guys this right now, it does make the bag a little bit thicker. So when you're wearing this, it's not closing and giving you more of a scrunched look. It just gives kind of a square look. And I'll show you right now how it looks. So it looks like you've packed it full of stuff. These stick out further because of how the bag organizer is. However, I don't mind that personally. I would rather be able to see my items that I have in the bag than worry about the actual shape of the bag. I do love that it gives the bag a little bit more shape because since this leather is so nice and squishy, it does kind of need a little structure to it, right? So personally, I don't mind. Again, I've linked the bag organizer down below. My favorite one, it's off of Amazon, super inexpensive. I always order this brand for all of my designer bags. Over here, I have a bag organizer in almost all of them. And you can switch out the bag organizer. So for example, I have a bag organizer that works with my Neverfull and also works for my Speedy. So again, being able to organize, get everything in there, that has been really, really wonderful for me. And just a suggestion, you don't have to do that. It's just something that I always recommend with all of my bags. My sister-in-law who has this bag does not have a bag organizer and she loves it. And again, she has quite a few designer pieces and this is her favorite designer bag she has ever had. She even has a couple designer pieces that are like unicorn pieces as we call them, right? Pieces that maybe a lot of people don't have. And she'll take like little clips of that, like for example, if that bag has like a little attached keychain, she'll take it and put it on her book bag instead because she carries this more than any other bag. So again, this has been a favorite of mine. I highly recommend it. In fact, if I had to do it all over again, I would purchase it again and again and again. I wanted to do an update because a lot of you were asking, but if you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments. I'll do another video off of your questions. I'd be glad to do that. And other than that, this is a beautiful bag. If you have the money, do it. It's, again, so worth the money. I haven't even thought twice about it. I know it is expensive, but I saved and I knew I wanted something really special, and this is such a special bag to me. So any other questions, let me know in the comments. If you like my videos, you like what I'm talking about, go hit that follow button. I want you guys subscribed to this channel, and I've got more videos that are going to come really, really soon. So appreciate all of you. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you very soon. Bye, everybody.